I got 5 pairs of sneaker here that needs to be unboxed. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today I'm unboxing kinda a little bit behind with this unboxing because kinda overdue or something. Let's do this. Alright, first one we got here a ambush Converse Chuck Taylor Duck boot high, colorway is black, and I got this on the sneaker shop. Kinda brick for now, but let me share it. Okay, here you go. Looks like kinda combat boots or tactical boots. I like this padding back here. That's gonna be comfortable. Looking around, there is the ambush behind of the bag. It's you already know it's a collaboration, Converse and ambush. So also nice quality of kind of rubber on the toe box and everything. It comes with a extra lace. Next one. Yep, same shoes, but it has a different colorway. Yep, there we go. We have here a different colorway of this Chuck Taylor Converse ambush collaboration. Boom. So the other one has an extra lace of blue. This one have an extra lace of black. Entirely, I like the paddings, just like I've said right here, and just like the same rubber-ish on the toe box, goes all around and has some kind of different kind of leather around here on this side, including the tongue. And then another pair, it is blue. Another pair of black, last box. And this one is, what color we got? Color blue. Mostly I pick up this one on sneakers app. It kinda brick for now. Usually they are supposed to be retail on 160 if I'm not mistaken. I think retail is 160, but now they are reselling below the retail, so kinda made that mistake. I'm not really sure what happened because the first release, the white sale or something, they are reselling high. They're like reselling right now about 400, probably somewhere 500. It's starting out 300 and then it's starting to go up. But this kind of colorway, I don't know what's happened, because before the release and during the release they are still reselling high, but then it's just snap. It turned out to be break. So good thing with the sneaker snap and the Nike.com, you can return them 30 days or 60 days. So probably I'm gonna hold it for a couple weeks and see what will be the market, and then I'm just gonna return it back because it's just free return, no problem at all. Now moving on with this clothing, we had one win with the Supreme clothing tees. This is the water gun tees and kind of color pink, as you can see right there. It has the gun. Yeah, it has some kind of sticker like this, just the same. And this is a color pink. It comes with more sticker. I was unable to buy one of these t-shirt tees with the Ninja Turtle Donatello, probably. Alright, next one. I was kind of surprised when I went in the sneakers app. On one of my account, I win 3 in a row of clothing. So we have here the Jordan Off-White collaboration, the hoodie. Retail is 350. Man, that is high-end clothing. The tag of Off-White and Jordan wings the Jordan Jumpman off-white right here, and the nice thing on the back. Bam! Look at those. Whew. Premium stitching, man. This is way expensive hoodie. 350. Okay, right now looks like they are tanking, and everyone is trying to get their money back because they are reselling a little bit somewhere on that price range, taking like retail. All right, another one, go. So these three are all wins, like one accounts. I can't believe what just happened. I didn't realize after the because it was pending for a long while, and then when I look back, there is 3 orders that are already in my credit card. So I went to look back, and that this account has 3 wins. All of this, I can't believe that one. Wow. So this one is the pants. It comes, the retail also is 300. Ooh. Man, size small. Man, this one is expensive. It comes this also on the off-white and Jordan Jumpman on the top, right there on the side. We have $100 on this shirt. It's not my size, double XL, man. Okay, so comes with the kind of Jordan here, with another printing right there. So mostly off-white collaboration and Jordan. This one is really expensive, especially this jacket, a hoodie, and this one is $300. Wow. Well, I'm gonna look back on the resale, how much they are going right now, but just in case I might gonna lose my money, then I'm not gonna resell it on StockX. I'm just gonna return it, because this is what happens, what's going on, and what's the problem with the other reseller. They are trying to push the shoes or clothing without the profit. They are making zero profit. They're taking a loss. Unlike the Supreme, this problem with those, you can't return it. But some of this, like the Nike stuff, Converse, this one, if you see the market goes down, then just gonna go ahead and return it. No hassle, no, I'm just gonna get my money back. But with that, what do you think on this? Kind of a little behind unboxing and off-white unboxing, and I would like to hear your thoughts. So with that said, I hope you like this video. Can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. That is all. Thank you for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.